Hello beautiful people, welcome to Desi FX weekly forex analysis. For this week's analysis, we shall be taking a look at our favorite pair, Euro USD, and we shall also be taking a look at GBP JPY at the request of a subscriber. So we shall be starting with Euro USD for this analysis. Remember, our time frame for the analysis, it's 4 hours. But as usual, we'll always have to take a look at the bigger picture to see what the market is doing. So let's go to the weekly chart. Okay, so here is the weekly chart. And if you take a close look, you would realize that the market has turned tight. It's looking up now. Even though we have reached a resistance level over here, the buyers are still looking very strong. So with that in mind, let's go back to our 4 hours chart. Here is our 4 hours chart. Okay, so guys, if you remember last week, I had already predicted that if the market should open and close above this range over here, then we should be looking for the market to go upwards. All right, that's exactly what happened, and we saw the market move a few pips to the upside. All right, so for this week, what we shall be looking forward to see is, actually there are two scenarios, and I'll try as much as I can to explain it all to you guys. So the first scenario is for the market to have a retest of this area right here. I'll show you. I expect the market to have a retest of this area right here. Why do I say that? The reason I'm saying this is because for those of you who are familiar with chart reading, you might notice this pattern forming over here. It's what some people commonly refer to as the M pattern or the double tops right here. Okay, so when this happens, this is what we will refer to as the neckline. So if the market, guys, listen carefully, if the market from where it is now opens up and makes a move to the downside and creates this M pattern, what we shall be looking forward to see, it's a pullback here to retest this level and a subsequent move to the downside. It might go all the way in here. Okay, so this is the first scenario. If the market should be able to complete this M pattern or the double tops, that is scenario number one. Okay, so for scenario number two, this is what we are looking forward to. Scenario number two, if the market is unable to create this M pattern, but rather if the market opens up from here and moves to the upside and opens and closes above these two tops over here to the left, then we shall be looking for the market to have a test at this level over here, guys. We shall be looking for the market to make a push to the upside. Okay, but the advice I want to give you, no matter how strong the buyers or the sellers might be in the market, they cannot always just push the market to one direction. There is always a pullback, and so we shall be expecting a market to have a reversal at one point in time. It's more logical to think that the market should be able to create the M pattern, so we should witness a move to the downside to test this level over here before eventually going up, because we have established on the weekly time frame the market is looking for an upward move. Look out for the market taking this move downwards before eventually going up. Okay guys, for this week, let's look for the market going down. Okay guys, so let's take a look at GBPJPY, that is the pound against the Japanese yen. We're having 4 hours chart in front of us, but let's take a look at the weekly time frame to see what the market is doing. All right, we have here the weekly time frame in front of us, and if you look clearly, you would see that the market in the previous weeks has been moving downwards, except for the last 2 weeks where we have this pullback over here. Okay, I need you guys to understand one thing. This is a weekly chart, and so this right here is being considered as a pullback. So this was a high created by the buyers. We have a pullback sellers and a new high by the buyers. So with our knowledge in market structure, when this move takes all the way from here to close right here, it means the market structure has been broken. Remember, the market structure gets broken when the previous high is taken out. In this case, this high here has been taken out over here. Okay, so this could be some sort of a pullback, and if this is a pullback, then we are expecting the market to make a move to the downside. Okay guys, with that knowledge in mind, let's go back to the 4-hour chart. And so this is the 4-hour chart, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, if you notice, the market has been bouncing up and down. All right, so let's take a look here at this reversal by the buyers. You remember we had spoken about the V pattern. I'm sure you guys remember very well we had spoken about this V shape in one of our previous videos. So we had already mentioned when this V is formed, it's a reversal pattern, which signifies the market should be able to go down. And at the same time, we equally came to realize that whenever the V is formed, we should have at most 2 touches. Okay, if the market should have more than 2 test phases, it means there is a potential that the V might not hold, signifying the market would still be able to go down. Okay, so looking at this, we already have the first touch over here and we have the second touch right here. Okay, what we shall be looking forward to see this week is for the market to make another move downwards, confirming that this V pattern might not hold, and in that case we shall be sellers. Okay, but on the other hand, if the market, guys, listen up clearly, if the market should be able to open up and close above this level, if the market should be able to open, make a move to the upside and close above this level, then you should be looking for your buy setups. Okay, notwithstanding, the market has been ranging for a while now, and that might still go on for a little while longer before eventually taking a side. For those of you trading GBP, JPY, take a close look at the charts. If you are a scalper, this should be a week for you to make money while hoping the market makes a move to the downside. Because I believe from what we are seeing here, this consolidation phase after the V was formed, this is the V. From what we can see after this V was formed, the market has been consolidating and it's been shrinking. Okay, it's been shrinking. All right, so now we should probably expect another move to the downside, and that would give us already 4 touches to the downside. Okay, so this means probably the buyers are not all that strong to take the market to the upside, and if this move should happen, then we shall be looking for the market to go even lower or create a new support over here before eventually making a move to the upside. So this is what we shall be expecting to see with the pound and the Japanese yen. I hope this has been insightful, guys. Remember, if there is any pair which you're trading and you would love us to do analysis for, all you need to do is to drop that in the comment section and we shall be there to help you. Okay, with this, I want to wish you all a happy trading week, and I will see you next week for more amazing content.